Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how to calculate the future value of a single amount and ordinary annuity using Excel. First of all, I will show you the method of calculating future value of a single amount. Suppose you have the opportunity to invest rupees 5000 today and you want to know how much amount will be after 5 years if rate of interest is 6%. In order to calculate its future value, you have to start with future value function. Press equal button, then write FV, that refers to future value. Double click on the blue color link. It will activate the future value function. Fill these required information. Select the rate cells first of all, that is 6%. Put the comma. Then number of period is required by this formula. Select the number of periods. Then again put the comma. Then PMT means payment. This option is used when there is periodically payment involved. Since we are going to calculate the future value of a single amount, there is no periodically payment involved. Hence, I am writing 0 here. Then you have to write PV present value. It means that the amount which you want to convert into future value. In this example, the amount is 5000. Then there is type option. This option is used when there is annuity. Since again this is the example of a single amount, there is no annuity involved, there is no periodically payments are involved, so I am ending this formula here. Press the enter button. Here is the amount of future value. Here is the amount of present value, that is 5000 after 5 years if there is rate of interest 6%. This is a negative amount. It is showing an outflow. If you want to convert into positive value, positive number, you have to double click on this amount. Put the negative sign before the present value, that is E24 cell number. Press enter button. Now the negative amount is converted into positive amount, showing the future value of inflows rather than outflows. Now let's learn how to calculate the future value of ordinary annuity. Suppose you are investing rupees 5000 at the end of each year for 5 years, and you want to calculate the future value of this periodically payment if rate of interest is 6%. We will start in the same way. Press equal button, write FV, that refers to future value. Double click on the blue color link. Then fill the required information. First of all, select the rate, that is 6%. Put the comma. Then number of years, that are again 5 years. Put the comma. Then fill the PMT. PMT refers to the periodically payment. In this question periodically payments are 5000. Select this cell, put the comma, then present value information is required. This option is used when you want to calculate the future value of a single amount. Hence, this is the question, or this is the example of annuity. There is no single amount is involved, so I am writing 0 here. Then type option. When you put the comma after 0, two option appears: whether you are making this periodically payment at the end of the period or whether you are paying this amount at the beginning of the year. Since it is the ordinary annuity, meaning that you are paying this amount at the end of the period, so you have to select the first option. Double click on this option, then formula is completed. Press enter button. and you will find the future value of this periodically payment.